side. Other side of where all that sage is. Well, it's that whole hill. 3. Oh, yep, there it is. They're getting out of town. Up. Holy shit.
You just tripled right there. Dude, I didn't even know which one to look at.
No, at that rate. Which time?
There should be 3 more.
Oh, hell.
Dude, them first 2, I stoned them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, honest.
Yeah.
You guys have seen it.
Oh, they're running all over the place down that fence line. My coyotes was heading full 5 over there. There was one that ran way late.
Yeah, I couldn't even tell you. And then after I shot that first one, 2 took up this valley.
5, probably another 5.
Dude, there was a lot of cuts.
There's over 10.
I didn't even know which one to look at. Because especially when they started coming from over here and over here.
Mm-hmm. Not to mention, there's probably some behind us.
Oh, I guarantee you. Like, I was guessing that group that went up that hill was going to circle right through here. But, dude, right when them coyotes started coming in, our wind changed perfectly.
Oh.
Because it was blowing right at them that whole time. Right when they started coming in.
You need it.
I could feel it come right on this part of my face.
Damn. I wish if Garrett would have been here, you guys would have doubled it.
Oh, dude, we would have killed 4 or 5 coyotes. Problem is, dude, they would get right on that fence. So pick up coyotes.
They're still running around out there. Yeah, see out there? Out in the long shadows of them trees? That's up to you, because they didn't know we were here.
Yeah, that'll work. Let's see here. Let's find a rock to put him on. So we can find him. Ooh, is he mangy? Yeah, he is a little. Look at his tail. Dude, they're like wet or something. It's weird. Alright, I'll run him up there. You want to take this one up just to that rock there? Yeah. And I'll go grab this other one.
I'd say it goes to show that, like, the mornings you really don't want to get up and go out and hunt or do whatever, that's probably the day you should do it. Because there seems to be a running trend that every morning, whoop, down goes Nico. Every morning we don't want to get up and go do this. We go out and do it, and then this stuff happens. So, lesson, however you want to take from that. Oh, Nico just biffed it. Biffed it.
I'm tired. Huh?
Have a nice fall.
Yeah, well, I couldn't get back up. I was trying not to put my hand in the snow. Whew. I might have to take a nap with him when I get there. This one had a blood trail, like that one the other day. Yeah? Yeah, there you go.
That's probably going to be the biggest coyote. Was the one at the bottom of the hill.
I'm out of shape, bro. I'm like, feel like I'm gonna throw up out of shape.
Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
I turned it on and then set it off to the side. Oh no. No, there's no way it was in my pockets. So I guess you win some and lose some. Today we tied. Did I think that's my first triple.
Really?
Yeah. Got quite a few doubles. I'm not gonna lie about it though. I was getting pretty amped up because I kind of had that notion. I was like, oh, we are definitely coming out of here with 2 or more. Damn it. Got any rope? We've been here for 3 hours. We're trying to get out of here. Me and Colin gotta lay off the old zebra cakes and Mountain Dew. Guaranteed there's a cat up in that.
Yeah.
No way there's not. I'd plow a cat. I'd say the coyotes. We're dragging a real bobcat out. He's been taking down deer his whole life. It's like some 40-pound bobcat. Could you imagine that? Well, I mean, that's probably like a 25-pound guy. Oh, that's probably a 1-year-old. This one. These two, I think, are 2-year-olds. See their head size difference?
Yeah.
And then, like, the teeth on these two were a lot more worn down than this one over here. But this kind of mangy.
Well, what's the... Is there a year difference when they start getting that a little bit of orange on their ears, their tail, their legs? Because that one's really white.
Willy, yeah.
Or maybe it's because it looks frail.
I don't know, dude. That's a good question. Because as you say, most of the pups we do shoot have that kind of more gray color to them than these little older dogs. But, I mean, you'd think that would just be a color phase thing. Hey, speaking of which, that was solid.
Nice job.
That was real solid. Well, on to the next hill, huh? That was hot. You're gonna have to drop all 19 of my layers.
Over there to your right, Caitlin. Right here, right to your right. Yeah. There he goes, he's way up there. Those were 2 different rabbits. Yeah. He hunts like a really tired beagle dog.
That's some money, dude. Look at that.
Not mine. Come here. Oh, there's another one. There's a second one. Get your bow.